Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I have an issue with the last GTX 1070, which you guys know I've been dunking in Windex and trying to clean them and stuff. And so after all that, I got 7 to work, and this final one here, I have an issue where it cannot mine past, I don't know, 8 mega hash on Ethereum, or maybe, I don't know, I think 5 or 6 souls on FLUX. And this GPU, you can see here, we're only getting like 8 mega hash at like 34 watts in the software. At the wall, it's showing like 44, and then at the wall, at the watt meter over here, it says 58 watts from the power supply. So there is something happening on this GPU, and I've tried many different MSI afterburner settings, even like stock and stuff, but that doesn't seem to jolt it out. I've also tried this GPU on Hive OS, and same thing. So I don't know what is going on with this GPU, but one thing I want to try in this video is to open it all up and see if there's anything inside that I need to maybe clean further, because as you guys know, when I did the Windex cleaning on the 8 1070s, I only opened up one of them, and one of them really had a lot of gunk inside. And so this one in here, I'm assuming maybe there might be some gunk inside, so we're gonna see what's going on. So let me go ahead, we're gonna turn this off, and I will see you guys out on the table there, and we'll take this apart. Okay, oh man, that took a long time. You guys can see all the screws. I didn't quite take apart the shroud yet, but just to show you guys, it's still, yes, there is still a few gunk, especially on the GPU right here. I'm gonna say something with, I don't know, voltage, power delivery, something is wrong over here, because there's still a lot of gunk here. Don't know if you guys can see if this video does justice or not, but looks like I'm gonna have to clean this manually. Otherwise, other parts of the GPU, it still looks okay, but okay, so that's it. I'm gonna now just take some time, clean it up thoroughly, and of course we're gonna put on new thermal paste. I have MX5 here, Arctic MX5. I'm not gonna put this through the ultrasonic cleaner. I think I'll be able to just manually clean it with tissues and make it all nice so I don't have to turn on my ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, GPU is all put back together. This thing is such a pain to take apart and put back together, but I guess NVIDIA, it seems like they really over-engineered the cooler on the Founders Editions. Maybe not over-engineered is not the term, but man, there are just a lot of screws to take this apart. Alright, so we'll see if just by cleaning it, if it's gonna work now. I added new thermal paste, removed all the gunk. Okay, so let's plug it into my test bench. Okay, it's plugged into my test bench and the single 8-pin for power, so let's turn on the HP server PSU. And the fan came on. That's a good sign. We're going to turn on my test bench now. Okay, let me just see if Windows can see this GPU. Okay, it showed up in Device Manager. Let me just open up T-Rex Miner. Let's just do Ethermine. Okay, just the stock batch file here. I got nothing. Let's see if this thing is gonna mine. I have a feeling it won't. I don't know if opening it up and just cleaning it may have done anything. I haven't done any overclocks. I'm just running it stock, as I did stock before and I would only get like 8 mega hash or something like that. So, oh, okay, the power at the wall is showing 134. Wait, I think it's working. Oh my goodness. Oh, no way, the power, yeah, 120 watts now. Does that mean it's working? Yeah, I was only getting like 40 or 50 before. Okay, so, wow, before I get ahead of myself here, this is, oh, there we go, 24 mega hash, yes, okay, that worked. Okay, well, let me overclock, let me just see if I can do like 600, let's do 200 core, and hit apply. Oh, the fan I should do at 100 because this thing's gonna get pretty toasty. Alright, so plus 100, 200 core, plus 600 on the MEM stock power limit, as you guys know with the 10 series cards, as there is a DAG issue, driver issue, NVIDIA is not willing to fix it, so these are kind of hindered on mining Ethereum, but I'm going to be mining FLUX on these 1070s. Wow, I'm actually shocked that this is actually working now. Just by opening it up, cleaning the inside, I got new thermal paste, and it's no longer doing 8 mega hash, as we saw in the beginning of this video. Wow. Okay. Have any of you guys seen this before? This is something, wow, I've never had a GPU that had like a hash rate like that, and now it's working. So after cleaning it, okay, right. I want to try FLUX actually, because that's what I'm most excited about here. So I gotta go to Gminer. They got Zelcache here. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, I opened it twice. Okay, there we go, and it sees the 1070. Power consumption at the wall showing 160 at the PMD. We are showing 150. I'm going to say, yeah, 150 watts. And these are my MSI Afterburner settings. And so, yeah, when I put these 8 GTX 1070s, I'm going to actually put these in a Octominer case, okay, an 8 GPU Octominer server case. As, yeah, these are blower style cards, and so I think these are going to be really good in that server case. I was thinking of doing like an open air, but I think that would then, these cards would be pretty hot. So, alright, let's see what the souls per second here. Yeah, look at that, 35.1 souls per second at 138 watts. That is amazing, yes. And I'm also thinking of mining these 1070s, all 8 of them, solo mining FLUX. And I guess as I'm saying that now, there might be a lot of people moving to it. Damn it, but that's okay. That is okay. Guys, I'm happy about this. This is all I wanted to achieve in this video. Please let me know your thoughts. And I guess, yeah, why it worked after just simply cleaning it, removing the gunk, I guess, that was in those, in the chips. It was pretty dirty, you guys saw. So maybe that might have unclogged something that makes the GPU just not mine at full potential. So yeah, this is really interesting. I'm happy that this is working now. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next video when I will do 8 1070s in an Octominer case. All right, so I'll see you guys in that video. Have a good one, and peace out.